Subtraction of fractions. Since subtraction is the inverse operation of addition, there is nothing special to add in subtraction of fractions. Everything we have said for addition of fractions, proper and improper, or mixed numbers is also true for subtraction of fractions and mixed numbers. The only difference is in the methodology, i.e. subtraction is carried out by borrowing a unit, in subtraction of mixed numbers, when necessary. Let's consider some examples in this regard. Example. Complete the operations shown on screen. Solution. This is the simplest case of fraction subtraction where both fractions have the same denominator, so no extra arrangements are required. We have the following. Now, we have a situation where we must first transform both fractions to have the same denominator. Thus, since LCM of 6 and 9 is 18, we obtain the following. We can also write this result as a mixed number if we want. Thus, we have the following. We can do this subtraction in two ways. The result is the same with both methods. Again, we can use the two methods of the previous case, but now we will save time and use only one of them, as the approach is similar. Moreover, both methods give the same result. We have the following. When a whole number is added or subtracted to a fraction, we write the whole number as a fraction with the same denominator for the given fraction, as the shown in the figure on screen. That is all for lesson 3.4.4. To continue this tutorial, please watch 3.4.5, Multiplication of Fractions. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.